My name is Nathalie Takpah, and welcome to my talk on the impact of Internet of Things on supply chain cyber. Just to give you a background of my topic, supply chain is basically the network of processes, people, and resources involved in producing and delivering a product or service. This involves the acquisition of raw material, distribution, and storage, transportation, until the item or service gets to the final user. So it's typically all the stages involved in the value chain. Whilst Internet of Things connects physical devices with sensors, softwares, and platforms to collect and exchange data over the internet, enabling automation and efficiency in various applications. And cybersecurity is the practice of protecting this softwares, this system, and this platform from unauthorized access, cyber attack, and damage. The Internet of Things and supply chain management. The global supply chain management empowered by the Internet of Things is transforming with unprecedented efficiency and connectivity. So over the years, supply chain operations globally have seen massive improvement in productivity, courtesy the use of Internet of Things in its various operation and stages. According to Statista 2021, Internet of Things market is projected to reach 1.1 trillion by 2026, with a cut of 24.7% from 2021. Connected devices, 12.3 billion in 2020 is expected to exceed 30 billion by this year, 2025. Smart homes, over 70 million smart homes by this year, 2025, boosting demand of Internet of Things devices. Industrial Internet of Things is expected to generate $15 trillion in value by 2030, enhancing efficiency. And in healthcare, Internet of Things, connected medical devices is expected to grow $1 billion in 2021 to 182 by 2027. The role of Internet of Things in supply chain. So Internet of Things connect producers, distributors, and customers globally. This also enhances efficiency and visibility in its operations. How does the Internet of Things transform supply chain management? We could talk about efficiency, which real-time tracking of shipping companies. We've seen most shipping companies, FID and GPS. Some companies have like barcodes on pallets to track or consignment at any given point in time. We have automated inventory management also in warehouse, where shelves have sensors that when an item is taken off a particular shelf, it records the type, the color, and the quantity of these items taken off, which actually inform the decision on what needed to be stocked and when. Example, it could be made of e-commerce companies like Amazon that uses robots in stocking its shelves. We have pharmaceutical companies using thermometer that record specific temperature in its storage space, and also cold chain companies. And this goes a long way to improve decision-making and quality. We have predicting maintenance for machineries where machines have sensors. Example could be the automotive industry, where these sensors inform when that machine needs a maintenance or an update. We have Internet of Things, with the help of Internet of Things collecting all this data, inform decision making by industry players, and also help in predictive analysis to mitigate risk and disruption. So according to Morgan Stanley Automation World Industrial Survey AlphaWise, some companies shares their benefit from Internet of Things in their supply chain operations. There was an improving operational efficiency, which exceed 45%. There was an improving productivity by over 30%, creating new businesses opportunity by nearly 30%, reducing downtime by 27%, maximizing asset utilization by 26%, ability to sell product as service by 18%, reducing asset life cycle cost by 18%, enhancing worker safety by 15%, enhancing product innovation process by 13%, and better understanding of customer demands by about 8%. So this basically shows how Internet of Things impacted these various companies, these various sectors. There are also some dark side of Internet of Things and supply chain, and that is what we're here to talk about. And so some of them could be key vulnerabilities like lack of standardization in the Internet of Things devices, expanding attack surface with billions of devices, and sensitive data exposure. For example, the SolarWinds breach in 2020. So what happened in 2020 is that around late 2020, there was a backdoor injection into update, which affected thousands of customers, including governmental agencies and Fortune 500 companies. We could also talk about the data on over 3,000 Airbus suppliers, and this is a giant in aircraft manufacturing industry. Their data, the data of over 3,000 of their suppliers was linked or attacked. There is also an example of mirror-bonnet attack on Krebs cameras and routers in 2018. So how do we balance innovation and risk in connected world? In a connected world, balancing innovation with risk require integrating robust security into every layer of Internet of Things and supply chain operation by prioritizing resilience alongside technology process. So it is encouraged that as much as companies are investing in innovation, there should be a thought to invest in security measures to protect or safeguard these innovations. Some of the strategies to protect supply chain operation from cyber attack include the adoption of net zero architecture, where it should be assumed that every device or network may be compromised. Hence, there is a need to implement strict access control. Also, enhance endpoint security by encrypting Internet of Things devices and ensure regular update. There is also a need to collaborate with vendors for security design. So as much as, there is investment towards robot software to use on what platform, there should be a collaboration between these other companies that develop secure platforms or software to protect the supply chain system. Other strategies include improved visibility, where the use of artificial intelligence to determine anomalies, and also implement blockchain to see. It's also advisable to create share security standard and join intelligent platform. So this is basically collaboration among industry players, to share information, to know the latest happening, where the latest attack is happening, and what needed to be done, or what is the latest safeguarding measures that everybody needed to know of. Future outlook. So we could talk about autonomous vehicle and self-healing logistics network, predictive risk management with artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, collaborative framework for cybersecurity. So there is also a call to action where Internet of Things, as much as it offers massive opportunity, as much as it is helping to improve productivity and efficiency, it is also requiring robust security. Prioritizing cybersecurity alongside investment that are being made towards innovation, and also collaborating with government agencies, industry players, and tech leaders, basically all stakeholders involved in this cyber attack or safeguarding Internet of Things and supply chain operation. Thank you.